That's why I laughed. Put your plate in.
Hell no.
Oh yeah, why?
Chew for the camera.
I think I will put this pizza in too. What you say?
We're paying for this shit though.
For real?
For real?
Fire.
Your hand is messy too. And wash our hands.
Okay, this is a clam, right?
It's a muscle.
Oh, a mussel. I'm about to try it.
The what?
I like this.
You gotta do it.
You have a mussel, you eat these? They're good? No?
Eat it.
Maybe I should drink it with, I mean not drink it, eat it with hot sauce.
See, look. You want more sauce in your plate? Come here. Look. Look some.
Mmm.
Was it something fishy? I don't know.
I don't know if I like the texture of that, but I would try it again to see if I like it.
I'll try it
It
again.
wasn't too bad.
Try it again then.
Oyster?
I love oysters. Oh, quite a soup. It's good. You put it on it. Take it. If you're feeling what clap your hands. If you're feeling anybody want to shout, if you're feeling what clap What did you put on it? Why did you put that on?
What do you say?
Go you turn the camera.
You. No. Wow. Who you?
I did. Drink water, guys.
Hmm?
I did.
You should end your day with some water. No. Well, start the new day with some water.
What
12 a.m. Good morning.
Who is y'all? I had two. No, I had one too. Yeah, that's I have one. You better not give me that.
Damn. He's in his plate. He might as well go in the plate. Go in the plate with the food. Get in there. He's in there.
Your cherished memories. Show them you care with the gift of music this season.
He dropping the shells like how his gingerbread house is dropping yesterday.
You really thought you ate that? You did not eat that.
I'm so happy to win. Honestly, like. I'm so happy I won.
Fuck around with you. You know you might never, you know they cheating. I ain't get shit.
No one talked to them. But
Even that little girl say they ain't like her one. So what I tell you?
that's messed up.
The whole one. I slice in the microwave. Yeah. Give it that.
Can you grab that spatula and put a corn on my plate?
Please. Oh,
I was trying to swallow my food. God damn.
that's the right turn.
Please.
Come here. Look at that out. I lied on stuff.
Thank you.
Yeah, I said I know that song.
It's very good. I love it.
Oh, that's it.
Oh boy. What is it called? What is it called? Jump into somebody. I don't see that in there.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another dinner. No more Chatan, it's on the video. No, everything Chatan. Not everything Chatan. It's everything in the video. Back to the stadium. So,
What the hell?
line of peppers, line of them, a whole place of quesos and two of them. There's a whole line.
I think.
Sorry, bye.
Talking about that.
How was the food? What was your favorite one? Was it the shrimp? Was it the potato? Was it the corn?
No, I like to return
The mushroom?
The muscle.
So you eat mushrooms now.
Muscle.